Alright y'all, today I'm going to show you how to make some real delicious crawfish bread. Let's go. Get y'all a tomato, y'all, like a little medium one like this. Go ahead on, dice the whole thing. Get y'all some fresh parsley. We're going to go ahead on and dice it up. Say about a cup's worth to be good. We got the tomatoes cut up. We got the parsley cut up. We got a pound of crawfish. Let's go to the stove. Alright y'all, first thing you're going to do, go ahead on, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. But now in the pot, go with 6 tablespoons of butter. 2 nice spoons full of that minced garlic, okay? Off in there with them tomatoes right there. And go in there with a pound of them Louisiana crawfish now. And of course, my Cajun seasoning. You ain't got to be scared to use it. I'll go ahead up on there, hit it with a little bit of W sauce. You ain't got to get carried away. Go ahead on and let it heat up for about 3-4 minutes. That'd be good. Alright y'all, so in a separate bowl, go ahead on and get a cup and a half of mayonnaise. Now go with that parsley we cut up, put that up in that bowl. Cup and a half of Monterey Jack cheese, y'all. 3/4 of a cup grated Parmesan cheese, y'all. Let the crawfish there after about, say, 4 or 5 minutes. That's how it looks right there, okay? Now go ahead and take everything we put in that bowl, go ahead and drop it right up in there. And let's get everything mixed up real good, okay? Alright, y'all, check out that mixture right there. They said what you're looking for, okay? Just like that. Y'all, just cut your French bread right down the middle like this, okay? Alright, y'all, look, go ahead on, just take a little bit of the bread out of it. Not too much, you know what I'm saying? Just a little bit so all the fixings don't fall off, you know what I mean? Be generous, like so. And put that up on that French bread like that, y'all. Just like that. I had 2 loaves of French bread, y'all. It was enough to make 1.5. Go ahead on that now with some Monterey Jack cheese. Alright, so now you're going to take this here bread, throw it in the oven for 10 minutes on 350 degrees. Then you're going to put it on broil for 3 minutes. Let's check it out. It's absolutely delicious, I guarantee you.